Okay, this video is to show you what I did some semesters ago to prepare the retake session, winter or summer retake session, and what we currently have in our Moodle is the retake session for semester 131. So when I open this one, as you can see, this is in gray, so that means this is not accessible to students, so they don't see it in the list of possible categories they can access to. Okay, so I'm doing it again. I click on it. Good. I can see the retake sessions categories. We have one for year 1, year 2, languages. If I open year 1, you will see that the structure of the modules is exactly the same as the structure we've seen just before with the semester code and the module name. The module I will show you is the ones I created for information systems. This module is including, well, what we show and what we do with the students. That was a request that we would have a video somewhere welcoming the students to the retake session, and an idea as well was to show that information, which is in fact the time we have in Geneva. Like this, students, if they are anywhere in the world, they can see what is the time we have in Geneva, and they can be sure that we are accessible at that time. The communication we do with the students is also based on the news forum, the chat room system. We always have the module handbook in the retake systems, and we have the video itself that I'm going to run just for you. The video is uploaded into YouTube and is accessible anytime. Good morning, good afternoon, and welcome to this retake session for information systems. As you know, this retake session will be running in 2 weeks. The first week will be an online week, and you will have to work a lot online, of course, and the second week will be here in Code, this beautiful place. And that's it. Alright, so we go back to the preceding page. So just to have a look, an idea as well was to use Skype, and the main idea also was to find a way we could include Skype, or we could include Skype into our retake session. So we just select the button call, and this code in fact is embedded in this area at the top to let the students select it and call directly the teacher. As you can see, what you have below is, well, the date of the examination. We have all the stuff about the material. So it was about, this topic was about Excel and what the student had to do. We have the assignments, and we have all the things about working with the charts and so on. All right. We had one part where we had to let the students come to go, and so on. Of course, the advantage with a Moodle system is to show or hide some topic we don't want the students to access, or we want the students to access. Alright, what I'm going to show you is the way, as you can see, and what I just told you before, all these categories and all these modules are handled by teachers. So we had to find a solution to let the teachers prepare and produce the materials they need for communicating with the students. Just one thing before I show you this is the fact, I'm sorry I don't have direct access to the categories, because I have the managerial account. So here, these are the categories for the second years, and we have as well, if I go back to this one, we have as well the languages. Okay, so exactly the same as we had, as we have for the current module, current modules we teach at the moment at SHMS Core. So what was used and what I prepared for the teachers was about the different ways they can use Moodle and even the different tools to prepare their module. So I created the support RS Moodle for retake session. And from this page, there's a lot of resources and videos that teachers can use to help them prepare the module. So here we have the module structure, how it should look like, activities, what kind of activities the teachers can include, if it is a Moodle quiz, activity content, running the quiz, and the quiz itself. If I click on this one, I will show you that I created videos that I just put on YouTube and embedded in the page to show teachers how to use the Moodle system. There is no sound, but it's just showing how they can do it. So they just need to create an activity that will be a quiz. They need to set up the quiz, providing a name, a description, and so on. And in fact, for each step they have to complete, they just need to click and refer to the video. So the way they can create questions in the quiz is described here. Okay, so we can continue with the screen recording, how they should record their own screen, because there was a lot of possibilities as well. Or they could include iMovie to edit and share video. Alright, so you see I used a lot the video to present and to show the steps a teacher should need to complete and prepare the retake session. Okay, and here a short description how they could use Prezi to include presentation in their retake session, and the way they can communicate with the students. So using Skype, what they have to do. If I click on that one, right, so here we just access a link which is describing the way we can include the buttons, Skype buttons, in the page. So I think they have a lot of resources, a lot of information they can use to prepare the sessions. It was a long work because the thing was, it wasn't only about the way we had to structure the retake session, but that was also the way what type of tool had to be included and how to make it as much interesting as possible for the teachers, and as well to make it simple. Alright, thank you very much for your attention and see you later. Bye.